Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious avocado egg toast. First, gather your ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 fresh eggs, and 2 slices of your favorite bread. You will also need a few basic seasonings like salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a perfectly balanced and satisfying meal in just a few minutes. To begin, carefully slice 1 ripe avocado in half lengthwise and remove the pit. Use a spoon to scoop the vibrant green flesh into a small bowl. Now, take a fork and gently mash the avocado until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others very smooth. Finally, stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for brightness. Next, let's prepare your eggs. Heat a small non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add a tiny bit of butter or oil. Carefully crack 2 eggs into the pan, being mindful not to break the yolks. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook for an additional minute or 2. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now for the best part, assembly. Take your perfectly toasted bread slices and generously spread the seasoned mashed avocado over each one, reaching almost to the edges. Gently slide 1 cooked egg onto each avocado-covered toast. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a few red pepper flakes or some fresh chopped chives. Serve your delicious avocado egg toast immediately and enjoy this simple, yet satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.